In Turkey, heavy snowfalls immediately fell in some parts of the country. In the warm city of Isparta, a large amount of snow fell in a short time, which is rare for this region. And in the Turkish city of Tunceli, snow is not uncommon, but no one expected such a large amount of snow there. A snowfall that lasted a week in the area of the village of Avacık led to a complete collapse. In the city center, the snow thickness reached 1 meter, in rural areas it reached more than 2 meters in some places. In some villages, houses were covered with snow right up to the roof. This is already the second settlement in Turkey, where more than 2 meters of snow fell this year. Many streets and lanes resembled a snow tunnel. To clear the territory, the authorities attracted all available forces, as well as all the equipment. Many roads have been blocked for more than 5 days, and due to broken wires and lack of electricity, communication with some villages has been lost altogether. According to the latest data, there are no casualties from the natural disaster.